Hello everyone, this is KAHEVA. Do you know the reason why there's no handsome man in China? It's because the last Empress of China, Cixi, ate up handsome Chinese men for 48 years. This is not a joke, it's a fact, so I say it again. The last Empress of China, Cixi, ate up handsome Chinese men for 48 years. That's why there's no handsome man in China. The last emperor of China was a woman, and her name was Cixi. Cixi is the one who made the Qing dynasty lose the Opium War against Britain. She became a widow in the age of 26. She was the Empress of China for 48 years, and she was the last emperor of China. However, she could not officially marry for the second time because she was the Empress. She was lonely. So, she secretly hunted handsome Chinese men alive. She had relationships with many young men. And when the morning came, the men who loved the Empress were secretly killed. Sometimes, the best good-looking men could stand by the Empress's bed for about a week. However, even he was secretly killed along with other handsome men after about 15 days. And the dead bodies became fish food of the giant man-made lake in Yihuawan, Summer Palace. Not a single man who loved the Empress survived. Even the men who were getting prepared to meet the Empress became fish food if they were dropped out. The health of the Empress's men was thoroughly checked. A man with a small problem could not even reach the Empress's bed and had to meet the fish. So in the past and even now, nobody eats the fishes in the great man-made lake in Yihuawan, Summer Palace. It is said that even the fishes didn't eat the handsome man afterwards, so they buried the handsome man in the mountain. And they built a pagoda in the mountain to console the spirits of the handsome men who were killed by Cixi. The Empress Cixi hunted men for 48 years, until just before dying. Of course, the secret of the Empress became known all across China. All the Chinese men were terrified of being hunted by the Empress. The secret of the Empress, who eats up handsome young men, was widely known. Chinese parents prayed for their son not to become handsome. Chinese men also didn't wash their hair so that they won't be caught by the Empress's secret agents. They didn't even take shower. They opened their belly when walking around. Some handsome men of wisdom defected to Korea. So it is said that there are many handsome men in Korea. The Empress ate up young men for 48 years. So she often got pregnant. She erased the baby by the help of the doctors. And afterwards, the doctor was also secretly removed without fail. This was possible because the agents of the royal palace believed that to keep the secret of the Empress is to protect China. There was a doctor of wisdom. His name was Seolbokjin. He knew that the Empress was pregnant, but he said that it is just a stomach problem. After that, he prescribed the medicine which erases the baby. Of course, he told her that it is a medicine for stomach problems. And this doctor, Seolbokjin, immediately said that he is feeling sick and he went back to his hometown. And he disguised his own death and held a fake funeral. The Empress sent her secret agents to Dr. Seolbokjin's hometown to eliminate him. However, the Empress's assassins checked his funeral and tomb and returned. So this doctor survived. And he wrote a history book about the secrets of the Empress. This book became open to the public after the fall of the Qing dynasty, which took place not long after the Empress's death. This is a fact. how did the Empress keep her youth and health? How did she eat up many handsome men even until she became old? Dr. Seolbok-jin also wrote this secret in the history book. Her skin was soft like a child, even when she was old. Healthy and young mother who gave birth to a child within the last 48 hours were caught and brought to her. And the Empress took and ate the foremilk, which is supposed to be the baby's. And when she nursed the milk, the mother was covered up with silk clothes. The mother was only revealing her breast, and the Empress Ceci lied down and nursed the milk. Asians are very well aware of the history of the West, as they learn it since elementary school. However, the Western people are so much ignorant about the history of the East. If people are unaware of the history, war breaks out. I give thanks to Patrick Farley, Fabio Coturneo, Matt Bigelow, Stephen Lobb, Douglas Crawford, and Mount Ephraim Publishing Corporation, etc., who supported KAHEVA's work by donation. This was KAHEVA, and see you in the next video. God bless you.